Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you all how to make some white queso dip. Hey everyone, welcome back. My family and I, we love homemade queso, and today I'm going to show you guys one way on how we like to make it. So let's get started. In a saucepan on medium-high heat, add in half a pound of pepper jack cheese. Half a cup of sour cream. And 3/4 cup of milk and let cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Once the cheese is melted, add in diced green chili. I add in about 2 tablespoons. Then season with salt and garlic powder to your taste, and continue to cook until everything is heated. If the queso is still thick, just add in more milk to thin it out to your desired consistency. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm sorry for a short video today. I just want to share with you all how we like to make homemade queso. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, and you guys can find the full recipe of this homemade queso and these homemade tortilla chips on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
3, 2, 1, action!
If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!